Nacro means a lot to me. It's more than just an organisation that I work for. It represents a deep belief that I have that no matter what your background is, we work to try to make the world a better place for everybody around us. I first got involved with Nacro working at the Sheffield Education Centre. I was meant to cover a short-term summer vacancy before moving on to a full-time role with another college, and fast forward 7 years later, I'm still here. I've had a great experience at Nacro because of all the wonderful people that I get to work with and the projects that I get to work on. There is a genuine feeling that we want to help people improve the quality of their lives, and that makes a huge difference to the way that we approach our work. The best thing at Nacro is when I see the passion that people have around me doing the work they love doing. They really do live and breathe our values every single day. Whether you're a teacher, a support worker, an executive or a trustee, there is a sense of doing the right thing for the people we support. Nacro is different because we provide lots of different services in different sectors and regions, yet there is a real sense of community across these areas, and it's that thinking that makes it special. I'm proud to be part of Nacro because of the real commitment we are showing into becoming a more diverse, inclusive and equitable organisation. We're doing this through understanding, collaboration and really holding a mirror to ourselves and genuinely asking how can we do things better so we can make a bigger impact on people's lives, our local communities and the environment. Describe Nacro in one word: inspiring. In another 60 years, I'd like to think of Nacro as being a charity where people recognise the name instantly. They know the good work we do, who we do it for, and that gives people hope.